What is going on, y'all? This is Faizan back at it with another video, and I know it has been a while since my last one, but believe me, I am back and I am better than ever. I am rejuvenated, motivated more than ever, and I'm here to bring you guys this video to basically let you guys know that I'm going to be starting my new journey, and this journey I'm going to be, of course, documenting with you guys. And trust me, folks, I'm going to do my best to stick by it, but this is why I need you guys, because the more support you guys give me, the easier it will be for me to follow through with it. So my new journey will be with affiliate marketing. This is the route that I'm going to take, but basically, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, real quick, it's just where you're the middleman between a product and somebody who's trying to sell it, and so they let you market the product in any way you can. And basically, if you sell the product, you get a commission off of it. That's basically, the lowest level and the most basic understanding of it. There's a ton that goes into affiliate marketing, okay? And in these future videos, I will be getting into all that. But basically, I've made this video to let you guys know that, like I said, I'm going to be starting on this journey. In fact, I have already started on this journey. I have begun to start implementing the tactics of affiliate marketing, and what I'm going to be doing is sharing my success, but more importantly, my failures that I, encounter along the way. So that's the beauty of this channel. It's going to show you everything from, from me trying to, be able to succeed in affiliate marketing and various areas of it, as well as see what works and what doesn't, because there's a lot that goes into it. Now, of course, like I mentioned before, I have already gotten started with it. So what have I done so far? So what have I done with affiliate marketing so far? Well, basically, I've just been a sponge. That's the best way I can put it. I've just been taking in all of this information as much as I can so I can put myself in the best position to be able to succeed at this. So, and obviously later down the line, I can help you guys as well and pass this knowledge over to you guys. But in addition to that, I've also taken a course, which was Ryan Hildreth and Tanner J. Fox's affiliate marketing course. I'll post a link to that in the description. But in addition to that, like I said, I did so much more research, and I've continued to do the research, and I'm going to continue doing it as well, because like I said numerous times before, you never stop learning, you never stop growing, so you need to keep doing that. And as the market changes, you need to be able to adapt. But with that being said, the main things that I've been doing with affiliate marketing right now is I have been signed up with an affiliate network, which is Max Bounty, and I am currently running Facebook ads for affiliate links that I have from Max Bounty. Now, I will expand into how to get approved on Max Bounty if you guys want me to, how to utilize that, and how to start running Facebook ads. Trust me, I had to learn everything on my own. Now, the ads have just started to run, so I'm going to sort of just let those run and see what type of data I get. I'm not even sure if I'll get any affiliate yet. I'm just learning. So the whole point, like I said, of this journey is to be able to learn in front of you guys and to be able to document it so we know what we can do and what we can't do and what we will be doing. So right now, that's the biggest thing for me. But in addition to that, at the same time, I hope to be launching. I've already created a Facebook page for my affiliate, and I'm also going to be creating Instagram pages and Twitter pages as well. By the way, my social media for everything is down below as well. So you guys, if you guys want to follow me and ask me any questions, you guys can. So I've been able to do that so far. Picking out niche in affiliate marketing is very key. So being able to narrow it down exactly what you like. And that's the biggest thing I'm going to let you guys know right now is with me, even with the affiliates that I'm currently utilizing, I'm going to make sure that for the ones that I'm utilizing now and in the future, it'll all be in niches that I'm passionate about, that I will be able to work on without looking at it as work, because I'm interested in it, and that's the biggest thing I can tell you guys is make sure to follow what you're passionate about. It's not just about money at the end of the day. It's also about doing what you like. So being able to picking a niche that you're passionate about is key. But like I said, we will get into that. Right now, the journey is to get started with affiliate marketing. So right now, that is what I have been busy with, what I have been doing. I have set up all of my Facebook ads, and I am set up with Max Bounty. So if you guys have any questions with that, let me know. I've also gotten set up ClickFunnels. I've created a landing page for my affiliate. So there was a lot of background work that goes into it. Now, hopefully it converts into some actual commission, which is obviously the goal here. But with that being said, the journey also matters. So again, that is what I've been able to do so far, guys. So in the future videos that I post, and I will try to post as much as possible, and you guys are going to want to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss out on that. In these future videos, I'll be giving tutorials. I'll be able to give you guys updates and whatnot, and just everything in between. So make sure, like I mentioned, you guys don't want to miss out on that. Let's get started on this, guys. If you have been thinking about starting on it, you know, I say do it now. This is me with basically showing you guys that this is how I'm going to get started on it. I'm going to be documenting my journey. So hopefully this is a right step for all of us. Well, with that being said, let me know how you guys have been doing in your affiliate marketing journeys. Have you guys started yet? Have you guys not? Where do you guys plan on being? Let me know all that down below in the comments. Like I said, again, let's get started and let's do something with this. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Hit me up on my social media down below. And please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.